Actually, I ran into something today. I recommended somebody a book. I was in the bookstore, and the person that was with me, I just grabbed the book. I'm like, here, this is a really great book for you to learn. It was Mitzvah Shiur. And the guy in the front, I was shocked. I was very shocked. He's like, no, we don't learn that in Chabad. I'm like, what do you mean you don't learn this in Chabad? I'm like, Chabad doesn't learn this? I'm like, and the guy next to me, we were talking beforehand, how Chabad doesn't really abide how Chabad is today. And I was like, no, if the Rabbi was to come, he'll rebuke everybody. And I was like just shocked because I was like, what do you mean? Chabad has a lot of Mussar in it and a lot of good Mussar. And I was just saying, so it's like saying, and it goes with the topic, you mentioned Ramhan, and this is the person that wrote this book. So when I heard this, I was like, wait, it's like you're saying that you don't want to do Teshuvah you don't want to get better as a person, you don't want to get better as your character traits. It's like saying, I don't need to get better, I just need whatever they mean what love is, because I don't know how you could love without, fearing Hashem. I don't really get it. So does Mussar connect with Teshuvah?
Of course, Mussar, that's a clear connection. So, if you tell somebody do Teshuvah, he said, well, what Teshuvah? I'm a good person. Look, I have a dog. I always clean up after my dog. Yeah, I'm a good person. I pay taxes. I always pay in a subway or in a bus. I'm a good person. What? There was old lady. I help her cross the street. I'm an amazing person. You understand? So that's but Mussar teaches us, like Mizrachi, he goes in 26 paragraphs, 26 steps. It's actually more steps. I don't know how many steps. I didn't count the steps, but it's a lot of steps. So he goes at each character trait and how to develop it. What is wrong? So what people do wrong, what people do right, and how to work on it, and what obstacles is going to be. So he's breaking down all of the character traits and how to get to the level of Hasid. And Hasid, just so you know, Tzaddik. So Tzaddik is a basic level, just so we know. Tzaddik is nothing special. Tzaddik is the person. So of course today it's taken out of context. They're talking about Hasid, not Tzaddik. Tzaddik is a person who, as Rambam describes, a person who has more merits than sins. That's it. That's already tzaddik officially, right? And then he goes up in level, of course. And he said that first the levels of fear. For example, you said fear. So there is fear because of the punishment. Okay, that's very good. That's like, I don't know what chapter is it out of 26, and maybe 18, 17. So it's closer to the end. In order to get to the level of fear of Hashem, you have to understand who Hashem is. So people who do not understand who Hashem is, they have no fear, like a baby, right? Why baby fall out of the windows? Why? Because they don't have a concept that they can die. You understand? So that's why. Not because they're stupid. They do not understand, right? And adult person, normal, right? He's not going to not even go close to the window or bend through the window. Not going to do that. Why? Because he has fear. So fear is good. So fear, it's a very high level. So chapter 16, 17, 18, I don't know. So fear of punishment, and then the higher fear of the majesty. So then it's when you understand who you're dealing with, and you're scared to lose this connection with Hashem. You understand? So, and then love, it's like at the end, and Ramchal said not everybody is going to get to it, but at least let's get to the fear part. So many people who said, as he said, like Mizrachi, so they propose only their own way. So that's why we don't like all of the sects. And Rabbi Mizrachi Shlita said many years, very clear. He also speaks very, very clear. He said, if they say it's our way or no way, right? Or it's better be a Jew according to us, or don't be a Jew at all. So it's in all of the sects, it's all the same. And I saw it, and I hear, and they say, what kind of Jew are you, this or that? Yeah, you understand? So people already want to judge you. Are you good or not good? Are you like them or you're not like them? You understand? So that's the amazing thing about Rabbi Reuven Shlita, right? So he teaches from all spectrum, right? From Hasidus he teaches, from Litvish, from Mussar, from Chabad, even from Sephardic great sages, from all, because the truth is the truth. But people, the shallow people, they try to concentrate on one thing and may make them superior, not to read Mitzvah. How? So the answer to your question, I apologize. The answer. So without reading Mussar, how would he know what to work on? No idea. But once you read Mitzvah, other books, so you see you have a big list to work on. So very simple.
Wow, thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So you usually I would like stop this person, right? So if it happened to me a few times, so I stopped them very rudely. I say stop. Nobody's asking you personally. It's a good book, Ramchal, the Holy Ramchal. So I say buy the book. I'm going to buy this book for you as a gift. You want a gift? People like gifts, so give as a gift somebody. But there is some people, empty people, they speak, and I see in the commentary like such empty people. It's unbelievable. But they want to be heard. Okay, so what else? Please, any other questions?